The Millie Cutting Table will arrive in one box, ready for assembly. Open the box and locate the assembly manual to check that all parts are present. Inventory the hardware parts and organize them. Connect leaf support legs X and Z to the bottom rail R2 with B4 bolts. Using the enclosed R2 wrench. Attach B3 bolts to leg L as shown, tightening with enclosed R2 wrench. Repeat with the other leg. Insert the B3 bolt on the leg L into the pre-drilled hole on the bottom rail R2, as shown. Repeat with the other side. Connect the top rail R1 to legs L by inserting the B3 bolts on the legs into the pre-drilled holes on the underside of R1, as shown. Using B4 bolts, attach the top rail R1 to the support legs X and Z. Tighten with enclosed R2 wrench. Attach the ironing board leg S to the leg X using B4 bolts as shown. Tighten with enclosed R2 wrench. Flip the assembly over. Attach the other side of the ironing board leg to panel X using B4 bolt. Tighten with enclosed R2 wrench. Attach panels A1 and A using 6H1 hinges using S1 screws. Make sure the leg assembly is upside down. Place it on top of the top panels, aligning the pre-marked holes. You can extend the support legs to help stabilize the leg assembly. Attach the leg assembly to panel A using B2 fixed bolts and enclosed R1 wrench. Attach two H1 hinges to panel A. Using S1 screws as shown. Align the iron pad to panel A and center it. Attach the two H1 hinges on panel A directly into the iron pad using S1 screws. Note, there are no pre-marked holes on the iron pad. Make sure the pad is in line with panel A when attaching the hinges. Attach the T1 casters to parts S, L, X, and Z as shown. Tighten with enclosed wrench. Attach 3 PB assemblies to panel A1 and A2 as shown using the pre-marked holes and S1 screws. Begin by clicking the 3 support legs into the PB assemblies. Slide the leg and bracket to the pre-marked hole and attach it using S1 screws. Align the support leg the way you want it and install a second S1 screw. There is no pre-marked hole for the second screw, so you may need to apply extra pressure. Make sure the casters are locked and flip the table onto its wheels. You will need a partner to help you with this step. Fold the support legs as shown to close up the table. You will need to slightly lift up on the table to release the legs from the support brackets. Assembly complete! Happy sewing!